Glengorm's a unique place. If you come and visit, it's immediately apparent why it's special. It doesn't take very long for it to seep into your heart. The countryside is just spectacular. Glengorm is different to a lot of Highland estates in that we live here year-round, so it adds a real feeling when you come here that Glengorm is still very vibrant and alive. Anyone can come and stay at Glengorm. We have bed and breakfast in the castle itself, and then we also have self-catering cottages across the estate. On Glengorm, you can see every aspect of Mull's wildlife within our own boundaries, so we decided to set up the Wildlife Project.
Glengorm is just a fantastic area of biodiversity. I've had otters right by the shoreline, and then going back into the hills I've had hen harriers, golden eagle. You can wander for miles and miles and hardly see a soul. You could sit in our nature hide and you could watch nesting white-tailed sea eagles and feel a million miles away from day-to-day life.
Glengorm was particularly good for children, and growing up here was such a fantastic experience. We'll get our little boat out, catch some mackerel, have a fire, and it's a real special way to spend a night as the sun goes down. Such a fantastic experience that you just want to keep coming back to. Just beautiful.